It's time once again for mystery boxes. This time I got the Airsoft GI Boneyard mystery box, which was, I think, $44. So we'll see what this is. Oh, this is exciting. First person box opening. Full disclosure, this might not be the Boneyard mystery box, but it could be, because they had another one. And it is a broken AGM 416. Look at that. In all its trade dress violating glory. So that, $44. Obviously I'm going to fix it and then sell it because, you know, that's what I do. So is it just one thing in these? Probably. When I said I had a mystery box, I lied. I actually have three. One of them is an actual decent mystery box. The other is a another Boneyard one. So this one apparently is mix. You know, someone should make a left-handed camcorder. Or I could just wear my contour, but the video's not as good on the contour. Oh, there's a red rag in that one. We'll come back to that because I believe that is probably not the Boneyard one. That's probably a Boneyard one. Cutting this open. Oh my god. Just complete klutz today with the knife. I cut it myself, but alright. So this is probably a Boneyard one. Yeah, it is. There's no real box in here. Thing. Dead rag. I've lost like a million of these in the woods. And we have a D-Boys, is that an S system? Oh, that is a D-Boys Voltor Cast V system there. So, once again, 44 bucks. Maybe it works, maybe it's missing parts. Well, definitely missing parts right here. So, let's put that aside. And look at the one that was the 144, whatever the hell it was. $144. The mix. So if remember last time I got the Magpul Masada AKM style, which was nice. Used that last weekend at Stronghold. So we got a rag and a Kid Me Way with 3 mags. It's a CQR. Not bad. This is one of those boxes that's like, well, even if I don't get an awesome prize, everything else would sell for a decent price. And one-handed, damn, this is tough. Oh. Interesting. Kind of different. Usually Kid Me Way warranties their stuff with Kid Me Way USA, but not this time. So we're going to put the camera down. And pick the camera back up. Alright. Good. 2 manuals. 2 extra mags. These are actually pretty decent mags. CQR Mod 2. These are nice, decent guns. Pretty reliable for a Sportline gun. Sort of on the high end of a Sportline price-wise, but they perform pretty well. But yeah, so that's today's mystery box. I have 2. So sort of clone M4s, well, 416 M4 Voltor thing, and one CQR Mod 2. Actually, I have no use for a CQR Mod 2, so I believe I'm going to sell it. But if you'd like to buy it, stop on by my store here, Master Hobbies, 565 Main Street, Cherry Valley, Massachusetts. We're open 11 to 6 every day, except Sunday, which we're closed.